Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best filing cabinet is probably one of the most underrated pieces of office equipment, but trust me, it can make a world of difference. Whether you're a student, a small business owner, or just someone who likes to keep things organized, a good filing cabinet can save you time, reduce stress, and help you stay on top of your game. Today, we're diving deep into the world of under-desk filing cabinets. Number 5. VASAGLE Rolling File Cabinet, UOFC 040W46. This rolling file cabinet boasts a classic, minimalist design. It fits perfectly under most desks, saving valuable space in your home or office. With two spacious drawers, it can neatly store a large number of documents. Adjustable hanging rails inside the drawers fit both A4 and letter-size folders. 5 360-degree swivel casters allow for easy movement. The front casters lock to keep it in place, and a fifth wheel adds extra stability. Constructed from premium steel and sturdy particle board, this cabinet is built to last. It can support a significant amount of weight, ensuring long-lasting durability. Clearly labeled parts and illustrated instructions make assembly a breeze. You'll be organizing your space in no time with this convenient file cabinet. What we like. This filing cabinet boasts a sleek, minimalist design, perfect for any home or office. It's designed to fit snugly under your desk, maximizing your space. If you're looking for a stylish and space-conscious storage solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Once assembled, our filer was very sturdy and the drawers closed properly. There is an option during or after assembly, for two sizes of hanging files, legal and letter. I chose letter and the hanging files fit perfectly. Everything lines up well and drawers close beautifully. Number 4. DEVAISE 3-Drawer Mobile File Cabinet. This mobile file cabinet features an interlock system. One lock with two keys secures all 3 drawers, providing added security for your home or office. The cabinet includes a removable hanging bar. It can accommodate letter, legal, and A4 size hanging file folders. You can adjust it freely. It's fully assembled except for the casters. The overall dimensions are 17.1 d x 14.6 w x 23.6 h. It also comes with a 1-year warranty. The cabinet has 5 casters, including 2 front casters with brakes. There is also a center caster to prevent tipping, making it easy to move around. With its simple and stylish appearance, it fits under most desks. This metal file cabinet helps keep your workspace tidy and clean. What we like. This cabinet offers a secure interlock system, keeping your files safe and sound. It comes fully assembled, except for the wheels, saving you time and effort. If you value security and convenience, especially in a busy office environment, this cabinet is a great choice. What people say. It has keys so you can lock it and it's very substantial. The drawers roll in and out fairly smoothly and aren't clanky or cheap feeling. The wheels are very high quality, like nothing I have seen before. The cabinet coasts so smoothly. I love the addition of the little wheel on the bottom drawer to give it more stability. The other file cabinet I have does not have this and it tips a little when it gets front heavy. Number 3. DEVAISE 3-Drawer Mobile File Cabinet, White. This filing cabinet is a stylish addition to any home office. It offers excellent storage and a modern finish that will enhance your workspace. The built-in lock comes with 2 keys, ensuring your privacy and the safety of your documents. Each cabinet has a unique key, offering an extra layer of security. The bottom file drawer is designed to accommodate letter, A4, and legal-size hanging file folders. 2 utility drawers with full extension slides allow you to easily access the contents. The rolling design includes 2 front casters with brakes and a center caster to prevent tipping. This makes it easy to move the cabinet around your office. Made of sturdy steel, this cabinet is built to last. It can bear up to 330 pounds and is completely sealed at the bottom, ensuring durability and stability. What we like. The modern finish of this cabinet makes it an attractive addition to any workspace. It features an interlock system with a built-in lock for security. If you want a stylish and secure storage solution, this cabinet is perfect for you. What people say. This is just a boring file cabinet and wasn't expecting anything more than a typical box. But, this boring box is well worth the cost. I normally never comment on shipment or packaging. This was the best packaged item that I have received in years. All corners are protected with hard flexible plastic bumpers. The sides are protected as well. It will be challenging for the worst trucking company to damage this during transit. The size is ideal to fit under my work surface, which is the ideal placement. This is a lightweight metal cabinet, which is what I wanted and exactly what you get. If you want a heavyweight bulky cabinet, look elsewhere and don't complain. The drawers pull all the way out, so it's very easy to access files at the very back. I've never had a cabinet that was so easy to access. The bottom drawer does have an additional small wheel in the middle of the front drawer to aid in pulling at the drawer and providing stability. Very nice feature. The lock secures both drawers, nice feature. Lastly, this file cabinet has a very clean modern look with no visible handles or knobs. The drawers have continuous edge grip on both sides, which makes it very easy to open in any position. The white file cabinet came well packed and had no dents or flaws when I opened the box. Very well packaged. The two drawers open easily and slide out all the way to allow you to get to the back of the drawer. The metal isn't as heavy as a commercial file cabinet, but good enough for home use. The support bars that allow you to use letter-sized file folders and also legal size also were included in the box. This cabinet, I have the 3-drawer version, has exceeded my hopes. It is sturdy, well-made, and capacious. My hanging files slide easily on the included rails. The drawers open and shut smoothly. Fit and finish are on point. The cabinet rolls easily and I've never experienced any issues with tipping. The lock keeps my stuff mine. Number 2. SISESOL White Rolling File Cabinet with Lock. This 2-drawer filing cabinet has a built-in lock to keep your documents safe. It fits perfectly under most desks, helping you maintain a tidy workspace. The drawers have smooth gliding rails that extend fully. This allows easy access to all your files, and it includes removable hanging bars for different file sizes. It features 360-degree rotating wheels for easy movement. The lockable casters keep it in place, making it ideal for under-desk storage or moving between areas. Made of durable metal with an anti-rust coating, this cabinet is built to last. It can hold up to 200 pounds, and the closed-drawer design keeps out unwanted pests. The cabinet comes with labeled parts and clear instructions. You can quickly put it together, and its dimensions are 14.56 x 17.32 x 26.18h. What we like. This cabinet provides secure storage with a built-in lock to protect your sensitive documents. The full extension drawers allow easy access to all your files. If you need a secure and easily accessible filing solution, this cabinet is a great option. What people say. The cabinet is sturdy and well built. The drawers slide smoothly. It fits perfectly under my desk. Number 1. Mount It, 3-drawer rolling file cabinet. Keep your documents and supplies within easy reach. This cabinet fits neatly under most desks, freeing up valuable desktop space. It's the perfect solution for a tidy workspace. Built from heavy-duty steel with a scratch-resistant finish, it's designed to last. This cabinet is built to withstand daily use and provide years of reliable storage. You can count on it. The 2 upper drawers hold office supplies, while the deep bottom drawer accommodates hanging files. This design allows for easy categorization and efficient organization. It's all about making your life easier. A single key lock secures all 3 drawers, protecting your confidential paperwork and valuables. This feature provides peace of mind in both home and office settings. It's security you can trust. 5 caster wheels allow for easy movement on any floor surface. 2 front locking casters and a center anti-tip will ensure stability. It's easy to move and stays put when you need it. Arrives pre-built, simply attach the wheels and begin organizing. No tools or complicated assembly is required. It's ready to go right out of the box. Backed by Mount It, US-based product specialists and a lifetime warranty. You'll have dependable service and confidence long after purchase. We've got you covered. What we like. This cabinet is built with heavy-duty steel, ensuring long-lasting durability. The 3-drawer design offers smarter organization, with space for both supplies and files. If you need a robust and ready-to-use filing cabinet, this is the one for you. What people say. The cabinet is well built and sturdy. The drawers slide smoothly. It fits perfectly under my desk. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.